Hello everybody. In this demonstration I'm going to show you how to draw your design. Now on this one, it's not that complicated in the sense that we're going to come up with this like amazing design. We're just trying to teach you a little bit in terms of what the terminology is that I'm going to be using for band thickness, you know, for top and for side. Okay. With the basic band, you just don't have a lot. it's just basic. So let's kind of talk about this. So band thickness, do your best job to draw on this. You know, in terms of the you know, in terms of how I'm grading it, you know, I'm a little flexible on it. I do like you have to use a ruler or something straight, you know, like a side of a book or a notebook or something like that, or Chromebook maybe, whatever. So band thickness, this makes more sense later on, but you can either draw, I'm going to draw the inside circle here, just so I can get an idea on how thick I want this band. There is kind of a requirement, you know, when you start making these in terms of the weight, and a lot of the weight ends up being around this outside part. So you just want to have a drawing, you know, that's kind of roughly like that. So again, it's not amazing, but this is fine. Now the top of your design, like if you had like a class ring, you know, and you look down on it and it has all that stuff on it, that's your top. And the side is if you were to take that and then you were to turn it, you would still see the part, you still see a large part of it. So the way that we do that one is I'm going to take this and do yours in pencil. I'm doing it in pencil so you can kind of see this better. Is I'm going to go right along the outside edge of this. I'm going to bring this straight down. To keep it the same thickness in terms of eyeballing it, because that was not a very straight line in terms of it wasn't parallel to this one. I'm looking at something like that. So if I know I see these lines, and I know that you have watched the video and you are doing your best job to get it right. So I have this. Next is the design itself is actually going to be drawn sideways, because of the way the thickness is kind of represented. So I'm going to turn this around like this. And one line here, one line here. Now if this is more of a complex ring, you might have a stone right here. I'm sorry, you'd have a stone right in this area because it's the very top of your band. With this one, it's just plain, so you're not going to see anything. One thing that I do great on are these bevels. So I'm going to kind of come around and I'm going to kind of soften the edge up so it's not so right angle-ish, but it kind of comes around to the side. And then the side is really the same thing, you know, but it's about the same, you know, thickness. I mean, in terms of, you know, this dimension right here. That's about right. So now on the side, now if this was like, if you had a stone right here, you would see that stone right in this area, you know. And again, I'm softening those edges up to be done with it. Other than that, that's all you need to do. These get more complicated as we move along, but that's it. And good luck on your draw. Thanks.